So Hondas are known for safety and reliability. I don't think that's a big surprise. Chances are if you're watching this video, you already know that. But one of the things that I really like as far as a safety feature is that there is a camera in the car, and it's up above the rearview mirror, and it detects lines on the road and does all these things, but it also works in traffic sign recognition, meaning that when you're driving down the road, a lot of times GPS will tell you what the speed limit should be, but if you come up on like a work zone or somewhere where it changes, that camera will pick it up and it'll display it in the dash so that you'll know what the speed limit it is. So if you're traveling a lot, that can be super helpful, because last thing you want to do is get caught in a speed trap speeding, not even knowing it. But what I really like is that you can change the settings to where when you're going like 3 miles over the speed limit or 5, it can be set to beep to let you know like, hey, you're speeding. So if you happen to drive a lot for work, this can be really helpful. Let me show you how to turn on those alerts. Okay, so to get to this setting, we're going into settings. And then when we get into setting, we're going to go to driver assisted system setup. Now, if you want to change the threshold as far as that warning, you want to come down to speed limits. Now, once here, you can come in here and go, hey, I want the speed limit +3, or maybe you're like, nah, not 3, but maybe it's, hey, if I get 10 over, yeah, I want you to give me a beep in the car to let me know that I'm speeding in a way that might get me pulled over.